This is a brand new kit and a very special one. Now, the title doesn't seem very special, but let me show you what's inside. Flower cards printed on transparent paper. Well, the transparent paper is vellum, but first, concentrate on what these cards look like. They are just quite beautiful, and wait till I show you what's inside. Now, here is the art that's printed on the vellum. Very beautiful. So there's two there, two there, two more. And you notice that the art is over on the right. I'll show you why. Two more and two more. You're going to be able to make a total of 10 cards with this kit. Now, in addition, there are 77 die cuts. Now, the die cuts are smaller, and I'll show you why. And they're also, you can layer them. So you'll see that, let me show you. Okay, the sunflower here, that's number 1. Number 2 is next to it. Number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6, so that you can layer them and place them on top of the matching art. You will probably want to get some of these small foam squares. These are the 400 foam squares, because that's going to be really useful for layering these die cuts. Again, 77 of them. There's also this 2 sheets of papers, and these papers you will need to cut out, but you can see they're straight lines. And you get the blank cards, 10 of those. So here's how it works. These are scored. You fold them like that. And let me take one of the transparent. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So that's going to go on the inside. You're going to trim it down. And then on this piece is where you'll put the paper that's going to fit right there. And then the die cuts will go right on top of it, however you want to do that. Now, you've got really nice examples here that you can follow, or you can do your own thing. Add ribbon if you like, add stamping phrases or dazzles, that will work too. They're just gorgeous. And you also get envelopes to match your cards. And you also get some pieces of white. Now, I think that that might be if you want to back this on white and put it on the inside of your card. So you've got that option too. Everything is right there ready for you. I can guarantee you that these are one-of-a-kind cards. They're absolutely beautiful, and I love the idea of the printing on the vellum. I'm a vellum fan, and I think they're just quite lovely. So this is called Flower Cards printed on transparent paper. We brought these to you from Germany, from our friends at Ready, and they are gorgeous.